So I was scrolling on YouTube one day when I found this ATC24 full flight with a joystick. Man, if only I had a joystick. What? Alright, so we have a Thrustmaster TCA Airbus Edition. Yeah, we can work with that. Tokyo Ground, this is Cathay 144 type A350 with information alpha ready to copy IFR to Isolani.
Cathay 144 cleared Isolani, runway 20, GPS direct, initial climb, flight level 050, squawk 4304.
Cleared to Isolani as filed via radar vectors, departure runway 20 and initial climb 050, squawk 4304. Cathay 144.
Cathay 144, read back correct, call for startup.
Cathay 144 at stand 7, ready for push and start.
Cathay 144, push start approved, tail to the right on Alpha.
Push and start approved, tail to the right on Alpha, Cathay 144.
Cathay 144, confirm ready to taxi.
Cathay 144, ready to taxi.
Cathay 144, straight ahead Alpha, taxi Echo, Charlie 2, Delta, hold the Delta 5420.
Taxi straight ahead via Alpha, Echo 2, Charlie 2, Delta, hold short of Delta 5 for runway 20, Cathay 144.
Perfect. Cathay 144, once Delta 5, contact tower 118.8, have a safe flight.
Contact tower 118.8, Cathay 144, goodbye.
Cathay 144, you up?
Cathay 144, roger.
Cathay 144, runway 20, clear for departure. Let's keep it rolling quickly, please.
Clear for takeoff, runway 20, Cathay 144.
Sorry, but like I'm on final. Like I will land in 2 seconds.
I have a plan. Just Cathay, keep it rolling. You're still good to land. What the hell are those fucking SR-71? Oh my bad, SR-71s doing above my airspace? Are you doing like Mach 3? Did anyone else see that?
Nah, I didn't.
That was close.
It was a little bit closer than I intended, but it worked out in the end. Cathay 5185, contact Tokyo Center, 132.3 SIA and Singapore, or November 22318, right when able, please. Thank you very much. Cathay 144, did you get that handoff?
Nah, I didn't, sorry.
Cathay 144, contact Tokyo Center, 132.3 SIA!
Tokyo Center on 132.3, Cathay 144, goodbye. Tokyo Center, this is Cathay 144, climbing to flight level 050, heading 0200.
Cathay 144 at ends flight, turn left heading 090, climb to 5000.
Turn right heading, left or right?
Turn left heading 090, climb to 5000, Cathay 144.
Turn left heading 090, climb to 050, Cathay 144.
Cathay 144, can you confirm if you're looking for radar vectors or GPS track?
I filed for radar vectors.
Okay, well, for whatever reason, I believe ground put GPS direct in your remarks. It doesn't really make sense, but it's okay. Cafe 144, contact per center on 135.25. Bye bye.
Contact Perth Center on 135 sorry, just wait. 135.25, Cathay 144, goodbye. Perth Center, this is Cathay 144 heading 090 at flight level 050 heading to Islarani.
Cathay 144% identified, right turn heading 110.
Right turn heading 110, Cathay 144. Yo, should I do a VFR flight sometime soon? Especially with the joystick, that'd be pretty cool.
Cathay 144, contact Israni Center 125.65.
Contact Islarani Center 125.65, Cathay 144, goodbye. Islarani Center, this is Cathay 144, heading 110 at flight level 050, heading to Islarani.
Cafe 5185, identify. Make a left turn. Wait. Never mind, continuous file.
Roger, continuous filed, Cathay 144.
Cathay 5185. Could I please get your call sign because I don't see it on 24 scoping.
That would be Cathay 144.
Okay, Cathay 144. Descend to flight level 2020. Speeds at or below 250 knots.
Descend and maintain flight level 020. This speeds below 250 knots. Cathay 144.
Cathay 144. Make a right turn. Could I please get your heading right now?
110. Cathay 144.
Turn right to 0. Speeds out or below.
Cathay 144, can you say again, please? It's cut out.
Yeah, no worries. Turn right heading 130. And speeds at or below 30.
Turn right heading 030. Speeds at or below. Could you say again?
Speeds at or below 230.
Speeds at or below 230. Cathay 144.
Cathay 144, may I ask what you do?
Cathay 144, can I confirm the heading is 030?
And negative, I said 130.
Proposed, heading, right turn heading 130, Cathay 144.
It's alright. Cafe 144, do you have Almagraph in sight?
Stand by, let me just tell you. Negative, I do not have running inside.
Okay, Cafe 144, continue as you are. Descend to flight level 015 and contact me. Oh no, no. I'm saying some random shit. Continuous flight, Cathay 144.
Continuous file, Cathay 144.
Cathay 144, make a right turn heading 160.
Take a right turn heading 160, Cathay 144.
Cathay 144, right turn heading 180.
Right turn heading 180, Cathay 144.
Alright, Cathay 144, I have good news. See your navigation lights. Do you have the runway in sight?
I do have the runway in sight, Cathay 144.
Do you have runway 28, exactly runway 2A and not all the edge off?
Positive.
Okay, that is very good news. Okay, Cathay 4, make a right turn at 220.
Right turn heading
Cleared for visual.
Right turn.
Right turn heading 20. Clear, no, 250. Clear visual approach. Runway 28. Contact me when established and on final approach.
Turn right heading 250, clear for visual approach runway 28. Contact you when on final, Cathay 144.
Cafe 144, align yourself to runway 28.
Roger, Cathay 144. Cathay 144 on final floor, visual approach runway 28.
Alright, Cathay 144 identified, continue approach.
Continue approach, Cathay 144.
Cathay 144, 128, winds at 199 degrees at 3 knots, clear to land, runway.
Runway 28, clear to land, Cathay 144.
Cathay 144 to Abu Dhabi. Right, make a left turn when able.
Left turn when able, Cathay 144.
Cathay 144, are you at Echo 3?
I'm at Echo 5.
Okay, Cathay 144. Taxi, gate mind.
Could you say again, please? Whoa.
Do you have a gate in mind?
Negative.
Alright, just pick out gate 2 for you. Cathay 144, taxi to gate 2 via Echo 5, Delta 4, Delta Alpha.
Taxi to stand 2 via Echo 5, Echo 4, Delta Alpha, Cathay 144.
Negative. Echo 5, Delta 4, Delta, then Alpha, and then gate 2.
Alright, Echo, taxi to stand 2 via Echo 5, Delta 4, Delta Alpha.
Right back correct.
Holy, okay. That was a good flight. That wasn't even that bad. That was a pretty good flight. I mean, we went smooth. Kind of did a. We almost did a 360. Did a very janky approach. In the end, we landed. All thanks to this side stick, bro. This is actually so tough. I need to use this more when I'm in